Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake 2 Cumin Lamb mini pies. Let's get started. I use plain flour to make the pastry. Add a little salt to the flour. Sift them together. Transfer to the stand mixer. Add some cold unsalted butter. Keep the machine at high speed. Then turn it off when you have the fine crumbs. Get 1 egg yolk, lemon juice, cold milk. Add some cold water until the weight is 115 grams. Give a good whisk. Keep the machine at low speed and gradually add the fluid to the fine crumbs. Stop the machine until you have the soft paste. Let the dough rest in the fridge for at least 3 hours. While waiting, I will make the pie filling. Heat up the saucepan at medium heat and add some vegetable oil. Add 1 pound of ground lamb. Keep stirring. When the color is dark, add a little salt, white pepper, turmeric powder, a little paprika, cumin powder, red cooking wine. Then turn off the heat. Remove the ground lamb from the saucepan. Use the same saucepan to melt some unsalted butter at medium heat. Add 1 chopped yellow onion. Keep stirring. When the texture is soft and the color is dark, add the cooked ground lamb back to the saucepan. Add some Worcestershire Sauce, Cumin Seeds, chicken broth. Bring to boil, then keep simmering for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, mix some cornstarch with water. Gradually add it to the ground lamb. It will begin to thicken. When the consistency is like this, turn off the heat and let it cool down. The pie filling is finished. My recipe is to make 2 mini pies. I use 1 rectangular baking dish and another one is square. To make the rectangular pie, break off 1/3 for the lid, the rest will be the base. Flour the square pie dish. Make it 3 mm thickness. Adjust it to fit the pie dish. Dock in the pastry. Add the pie filling. Cover with the lid. Trim the edges. Crimp the pie. Preheat the oven at 380 Fahrenheit. Brush the egg wash. Make some pie vents. Bake them for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, let's check the pies. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So these 2 mini lamb pies cost me $13. I'm going to enjoy my cumin lamb pies. Thanks for watching my video.